Valentine's Day is coming and my skin is looking tired, dull even. Detoxing it is. Start with Ozone D-Tan Cleanser, just a little. Massage gently in circular motion. Rinse it off and pat dry. Next, the refreshing Ozone D-Tan Face Wash. Apply all over, lather and rinse away impurities. Exfoliation is key. Gently massage the Ozone D-Tan scrub with light fingers, increasing blood circulation for a healthy glow. Remember, be gentle. Finally, pamper your skin with the Ozone D-Tan face pack. Apply generously, leave for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash and pat dry. Ozone D-Tan detox your skin, reveal your glow, and shine brighter than ever this Valentine's Day.